All right, so you are all set up. You should have your course code in, and now you're ready to go into your courses and get started. So here's how it works in credit recovery to earn your credit. You will, regardless of which class or which trimester you're doing, there are 10 unit quizzes you need to pass, and passing is 60% or higher. Each unit has a video lesson, and you can either get to the videos through Schoology, and I'll show you that in a minute, or you can get to them through Kia. You need to, if you take notes on the videos, you can use those notes on your quizzes and on your final. And those videos are examples that were picked and designed to match those quizzes as close as we could. Quizzes can be retaken as many times as you need to, but they have to be reset each time between the teacher. So there's a little envelope up in the corner that'll send an email to me, or you can find my name, or you can look me up on Schoology and send me a Schoology message. Just make sure you tell me what your name is and which unit you need reset. All of this can be done at home, anywhere you have internet access. You can use your iPad, you can use a computer, you can use your phone. You just need access to the internet. Once you have passed your 10 quizzes, you can work at your own pace. Anytime starting May 11th, you will be able to schedule taking your final. We don't know exactly how that's going to work or what that will look like yet, but starting May 11th, anytime after that, you can start scheduling taking your final. You have to have everything done by May 29th. So if you're going to earn your credit, you have to have all 10 units done, and you have to have your final taken. Final is 70 questions, multiple choice. It's questions from each unit. And that needs to be passed at 60% or higher as well. You do have 2 shots at taking the final. Quizzes you can take as many times as you need, but you get up to 2 chances to take the final if you take it once and you still have time left to finish. So when you first log into Schoology, this is what you'll see. This first video is the very first link I sent you in the Schoology message, and then the video we're watching right now is actually at this link. The videos, one way to get to your videos is inside these folders. So if I was taking Intermediate Algebra A, I could click in here. I could pick whichever unit I'm on and watch the video. When you're ready to take quizzes, you can click on this link and it'll bring you to the website. And you will log in with your student ID and with your password that we had you set up. So once you click on that link to take the quiz, it'll bring you to here. You can click on our class. You might have multiple if you're doing more than one credit recovery. And then click on this class webpage. And the quizzes are these links next to the green quiz box. This is another place you can get to the video lessons. So if you want to get to a video lesson that way, you can click there. I just want to show you one thing. If you ever click into a quiz, and it will ask you to log in again. If you ever log into a quiz like this and you go, oh wait, I didn't mean to log into the quiz, I was trying to do the video, or maybe you already started the quiz and you can't finish, please don't ever quit out of this browser. Or if you're jumping back and forth in browser, and just be careful. If you do that, it's going to lock you out of the quiz. And if you did a whole bunch of work, and now the quiz needs to be reset, you have to start over from scratch. Anytime you enter a quiz and you are not done at some point, scroll to the bottom and do save for later. Submit answers what you'll do when you're totally done. But if you do save for later and then do done, now you'll be able to click back into that quiz and log in later and finish it up. Don't just leave the window open. There is a point where the system thinks that you got blocked out of somehow your window and it'll just quit the quiz for you. So always do that save for later, and that'll save you some trouble in terms of getting back into your quizzes.